Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be exploring Mautic's dashboard and showing you how to customize dashboard reports. Let's get started. When you first log into Mautic, the dashboard is the first page you'll see. You can also navigate to it using the first button on the main menu. When you first install Mautic, you will have 11 widgets on your dashboard, including contacts created, contact map, and visits. In the top right-hand corner of each dashboard, you'll find 3 vertical dots. Click here and you'll have the ability to either edit or remove the widget. Clicking Edit will bring you to a simple menu that allows you to customize different factors, such as the name of the widget, the type of data it displays, as well as alter the size through the width and height menus. Depending on the report, there may be an additional menu that allows you to further refine the data you see. This could mean segmenting data by a particular group of contacts, for instance, or, in this case, specifying the visit state. When you've edited the report to your liking, click Save, and it will appear in your dashboard. If you want to rearrange the order of your reports, simply click on it, move it, and drag it to your desired location. When you move one report, the others will automatically adjust based on the changes. Once you're happy with your newly arranged widgets, simply click Save in the top right-hand corner, and all of your changes will be noted. And that's it! Now you know how to edit dashboards in Mautic's CRM. For more information, you can visit our website at higher-education-marketing.com.